All right, so you went with Helotes on the community with the most rain in the last 24 hours. It wasn't Helotes and the 3 1/4 inches that fell there. Chopper 5 in the air before we do show you some impressive rainfall totals. Show you some orange. Is that what it is? UT orange tonight. Hook 'em horns. Smokestacks at the Quarry Market. I mean, when I moved here in 1996, I remember it was a golf course and no smokestacks, and that was it. It's been such an incredible amenity of late. I love the Quarry Market. All right, so out here on the hill tonight, the winds have been southeast and breezy. They're dying down right now. Temperature 79. But with those east-southeast winds, we've been able to replenish a lot of the moisture we rained out last night and early this morning. So the dew point upwards of 70. We have not changed air masses here. So that's why we still have some very good rain chances in the forecast. Now, most of these rain chances will be to our south tonight. Okay, so you'll see some percentages here, but this will all be to our south. This won't be in San Antonio by morning. Maybe a little bit of light drizzle because, see, this is the radar. Down I-35, you can see some rain over the border and then a little farther south as well. And then in between Corpus Christi and Laredo, a little bit of rain as well. So maybe some of our communities, about a 30 or 40% chance you see some of the rain. Nothing like we saw this morning. That was the last batch of what we call the mesoscale convective system, the MCS. It's a cluster of thunderstorms that kind of breeds on its own and continues to sustain, especially in a very moisture-rich atmosphere, and that's what we've had. We've been piling up Gulf moisture in this atmosphere and raining a lot of it out in the last 24 hours. How much? Let's start with the airport. We hit a high of 90 degrees this afternoon, which is a little above average and 7 shy of a year or 2 years ago record of 97. But, you know, we went into last night's rain event with less than half an inch of rain in the September gauge. Now, nearly 2.6. That's pretty good range, right? That's nothing. I mean, take a look at some of these numbers. And the number one is Canyon Lake. That's the community that had the most. 6.5 inches in just the last 24 hours. And not far behind was Candelia out near Bernie. Bernie had a little more than 4. Seguin as well, 3 1/4 at Helotes, nearly 5 at Spring Branch, Cuero and Yorktown down in DeWitt County approaching 4. Incredible. Look at that, 3.5 Universal City, almost 3 in Garden Ridge. See, here's the deal. This is the area of low pressure, this huge dip in the upper level flow. And as long as that's west of us, it kicks out these impulses, and that's what's going to happen 2 more times before this thing flattens out and moves out. See, this is Saturday, and you can see how this area of low pressure lifts a little farther north. Well, that's why we should start seeing the rain chances taper off, but not before some very heavy rain Friday morning. That's when this is going to happen. So only a 30% chance we get a few isolated showers on a hot Thursday, hot and humid, 88 tomorrow. Then on Friday, it's going to be Friday morning. So overnight from west to east, and then Friday morning in the city, very heavy rain. Good chance of rain again on Saturday before we start drying out.